Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you how to get the taxi license in Darwin, Australia, Northern Territory. So first of all, you have to go to the website called darwinradiotaxi.com.au. I'll put the link on the description box as well as in the comment box. Then here is a phone number. You can contact them via this number and register for the course. So once you register for the course, then you will have to physically attend the course and that cost around $300. Once you do the course and pass the course, they will give you one CPV ID form which you have to take to the MBR. Then they will give you a receipt that the taxi license or CPV ID card of the taxi license has been issued. Then you have to take that MBR receipt back to the Darwin Radio Taxi. They will give you the address once you call them, and then once you go there, they will give you one temporary CPV ID card until you receive in the mail, and the mail might take 1 month to arrive, which is physical CPV ID card. Then once you get that temporary CPV ID card from the Darwin Radio Taxi, which expire in 1 month, you can drive that the taxi with that card as well, and they will give you one airport ID card which you can use for entry and exit, and also they will give you 6-digit code for the tablets to use in the taxi. So the one they give you CPV ID card expires in 1 month. So you have to get the CPV ID card from the mail and take that and go to the Darwin Radio Taxi within the 1 month. So hopefully you receive that card in the mail. If you don't, then you have to let them know that I haven't received the CPV ID card, and they will extend your 1 month expiry to another 2 weeks until you receive the CPV ID card in the mailbox. So once you physically receive it, then you have to go to them again, tell them that I have received the CPV ID card, and then they will issue a license which expires in 1 year. Then you can drive the taxi for 1 year and renew after that. And if you have to renew, then you just contact them. So this is how you get the taxi license in Darwin, Northern Territory, Australia. If you have any doubt, please let me in the comment section and I'll give an answer to your query. And thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye.